guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically adjust your audio to the TikTok or YouTube settings. So for instance, you want to upload a YouTube on video and you want to figure out their audio settings, like the loudness of your video to match their loudness of the video so it's clear enough. You're just going to go to menu and you're going to go to settings, and if you're in the edit section, there's a target loudness. So there's default, YouTube, and TikTok. So for instance, I want to upload a video on YouTube. So I'm just going to select YouTube for the target loudness and I'm going to select save. Then I'm going to add in that video, and when you export it, it's going to save in the target loudness that it's in. So your video isn't too loud or too quiet for YouTube, and you're just going to export it as usual, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!